Have you ever wondered how the global oil industry came to be structured as it is today? The story begins in the bustling city of Baghdad in the year 1960. It was here that five oil-rich nations, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, and Venezuela, came together to form an organization that would forever change the landscape of the petroleum industry. This organization is known as OPEC, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. The creation of OPEC was driven by a singular, powerful motive: to secure fair and stable prices for petroleum producers. You see, prior to OPEC's formation, the global oil market was largely dominated by a handful of multinational companies who held the power to dictate the price of oil. This left oil-producing countries at their mercy, often receiving less than their fair share for the precious resource they provided. The founding members of OPEC saw the need for change. They envisioned an organization that would counterbalance the power of these companies, giving oil-producing nations a stronger voice on the global stage. And so, they convened in Baghdad, determined to turn this vision into reality. Over the years, OPEC's influence grew as it welcomed new members into its fold. From the deserts of Algeria to the rainforests of Ecuador, countries rich in oil reserves saw the value in joining this coalition. Today, OPEC boasts 13 members spanning 3 continents. Each member has a say in the organization's decisions, contributing to the collective goal of stabilizing the oil market and ensuring a steady income for oil-producing nations. This diverse group of countries has had to navigate numerous challenges, from geopolitical tensions to fluctuating demand. Yet through it all, OPEC has remained steadfast in its mission. It continues to play a crucial role in shaping the global oil market, influencing everything from the price at the pump to the strategies of energy companies. And thus OPEC, the powerful entity, was born, shaping the future of the global oil industry. As we move forward, it's clear that OPEC will continue to be a significant player in the world's energy landscape, its actions rippling across economies and nations. Now that we know how OPEC was established, let's delve into its structure and organization. At the heart of OPEC is the conference, a body that meets twice a year and brings together representatives from each member country to make crucial decisions and set broad policies. Then we have the Board of Governors, a group of experts who manage the daily operations. They're the ones who keep the gears turning, so to speak. Next is the Secretariat, based in Vienna, Austria. It's the administrative engine of OPEC, providing support and carrying out the mandates of the conference and the Board of Governors. Lastly, we have the Economic Commission Board. This team of economic whizzes conducts in-depth studies, provides advice, and assists in coordinating member countries' petroleum policies. Each component plays a vital role, working together like cogs in a machine to achieve OPEC's goals. Clearly, OPEC's structure is carefully designed to ensure smooth functioning and decision-making. So what exactly does OPEC do, and what are its goals? Let's dig in. The Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, or OPEC, has a set of clearly defined objectives. Its primary goal is the stabilization of oil markets. This involves reducing the volatility of oil prices, which can have significant impacts on the economies of both producing and consuming countries. Another key objective of OPEC is securing an economic return on capital for those investing in the petroleum industry. This means ensuring that the folks who put their money into oil extraction, refining, and distribution get a fair return on their investment. Now, OPEC also aims to ensure a steady supply of petroleum to consumers. This is crucial to keep the wheels of global industry turning smoothly. Over the years, OPEC has used its considerable influence to manage oil prices and supply, shaping the landscape of the global oil industry. OPEC's role and goals are undeniably significant in the global oil industry. Looking forward, what does the future hold for OPEC? As we gaze into the crystal ball, we see a landscape filled with challenges and opportunities. The rise of renewable energy is transforming the global energy market, and OPEC must adapt to maintain its relevance. Geopolitical tensions also pose a constant challenge, as they can impact oil prices and disrupt supply chains. But it's not all storm clouds on the horizon. Technological advancements such as improved drilling techniques and oil extraction methods could potentially open up new possibilities for OPEC. They may also bring about changes in oil demand that could work in OPEC's favor. So what's OPEC's game plan? The organization plans to evolve and adapt, using its considerable influence to help shape the future of the global energy sector. While the future of the global oil industry is uncertain, one thing is clear: OPEC will continue to play a pivotal role.